So, Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namo Narayanaya, Jai Shri Ram. Whatever print setup is done, now it is printing. Where is it printing? It's on the Canon Pro 1000 series. So the print is going on. We'll see that right here. As you can see, the print is coming out. Patience. I'm already, trying to check how things are here. Little bit smudged, but I can, especially in the area that I expected versus here. Okay, can you see that it's already very clear, but here, this is the section I suspected will need a little bit of writing. Here again, this is very good. So it's only this section that needs a little bit of touch, I think. I was sure about it, but I think, this testing also helps. Maybe there are some other areas that do have similar issues. We never know. But let's give it a... So here it's a little blurry. Needs little writing here. Rewriting. Here it can be better. This is more clear. Let's see. But he looks good. The colors are good. Oh. It's almost the same color that I chose, and it's good that I increase the brightness a little bit so that after the throw on the paper it looks fair, and even it will be slightly one stop lighter when you order on the website, because they use different paper, slightly different paper. It's even more higher quality, so it will be even perfect, I think. So the only thing I need to do is to work here and then take the picture again. Right. So here you are. Let's see how... In the middle also the consistency is good. In the black and white area also, it's good, but a little bit of work here and there. I think it's worth it if I give at least a couple of more hours of work here and then take a print, take a photo, and then test it again.